Unveiling the Symphony of Words. Blare like a trumpet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to explore the vivid expression, blare like a trumpet. This phrase paints a picture with words, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the melody behind these words. Blare like a trumpet is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. In this case, the action or sound is being compared to the loud, piercing sound of a trumpet. But what does it really mean? When we say something blares like a trumpet, we're describing a sound that is incredibly loud, clear, and impossible to ignore. It's not just about volume. It's also about the impact the sound has on its audience. This expression can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. Let's break these down. Literal use. In a literal sense, you might use it to describe actual sounds that are loud and attention-grabbing. For example, the emergency alarms blared like trumpets, warning everyone of the impending storm. Figurative use. Figuratively, it can describe anything that grabs attention in a forceful or obvious way. For example, her dress at the gala blared like a trumpet, making her the center of everyone's attention. Here, it's not about the sound but how prominently something stands out. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. 1. The candidate's promises blared like a trumpet during the campaign, promising change and hope to the electorate. 2. As he confessed his love, his heart blared like a trumpet, loud and clear for her to hear. 3. The car's horn blared like a trumpet, cutting through the night's silence and startling everyone nearby. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, fitting seamlessly into different contexts while maintaining its core meaning. And there you have it, folks. Blare like a trumpet is more than just an expression. It's a powerful tool in the English language that helps convey intensity, attention, and the undeniable presence of something or someone. We hope this video has illuminated this vibrant phrase for you and that you feel confident using it in your conversations and writing. Remember, language is an art, and you are the artist. Paint boldly and speak loudly. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English, and may your words always blare like a trumpet in the symphony of conversation.